morning, students. Yes, students, we have started chapter 10, Microbes in Human Welfare, and in this, we have discussed microbes in household products. The microbes are used in some household products. Today, we are going to start next topic, microbes in industrial products. Okay, that means microbes are used in industrial products. Even in industry, microbes are used to synthesize a number of products valuable to human beings. Okay, microbes are used to produce a number of products in industry that are useful or valuable to human beings. For example, beverages, antibiotics, enzymes, alcohol are some examples of industrial products. These products are produced using microbes on industrial scale. These products are produced using microbes on industrial scale. For this, where these microbes are grown in large vessels called fermenters. For this, the microbes grow in a large vessels. These large vessels are called fermenters. In fermenters, microbes are grown on a large scale, okay, for the production of industrial products. Now we discuss these industrial products one by one. First is fermented beverages. First is fermented beverages. Fermented beverages are wine, beer, whiskey, brandy, rum, etc. These are obtained by fermenting malted cereals or the fruit juice, okay, with Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This is the yeast that is used for bread making. Okay, commonly this yeast known as brewer's yeast. So this yeast is used for fermenting malted cereals or fruit juice to produce alcohol, to produce ethanol or alcohol. Okay. Fermented beverages, the examples of fermented beverages are wine, beer, whiskey, brandy and rum. And these are obtained by fermenting malted cereal. Malted cereal, these are the grains that dried after having been germinated by soaking in water. यानी water में dip करने के बाद जब वो germinate हो जाते हैं, after germination उनको क्या किया जाता है, इन grains को ड्राई किया जाता है. That cereals are called malted cereals. So these products, fermented beverages, are produced by fermenting malted cereals or the fruit juice with Saccharomyces cerevisiae or the bever's yeast to produce ethanol. Okay, variety of alcoholic drinks depending upon the types of the raw material used for fermentation and the types of processing with or without distillation. So the different types of alcoholic drinks are obtained. These depends on the types of the raw material used for fermentation and the types of processing with or without distillation. For example, wine and beer are produced without distillation, whereas whiskey, brandy, rum are produced by distillation of fermented broth. What is fermented broth? Broth, a large number of microbes and the raw materials like malted cereals and the fruit juice are used. Okay, so in fermented broth, both the substances like large number of microbes and the raw materials like malted cereals, fruit juice that we use, बोथ आर प्रेजेंट इन फर्मेंटेड ब्रोथ के अंदर दोनों ही आ जाएंगे, माइक्रोब्स और जो भी हम माल्टेड सीरियल फ्रूट जूस को यूज कर रहे हैं टू प्रोड्यूस द एल्कोहल, विस्की ब्रांडी रम. Okay, so these whiskey brandy rum are produced by the distillation of the fermented growth, जिसके अंदर दोनों ही प्रेजेंट होते हैं. What is distillation? Yes, distillation is the process of separation of constituents of liquid mixture by vaporization and then again condensing the vapor into liquid. Okay? डिस्टिलेशन में क्या होगा, मतलब जो भी हमारे उस वो लिक्विड मिक्सचर के अंदर जितने भी मटेरियल्स हैं उनको इवेपोरेशन प्रोसेस से यानी वेपर में चेंज करके वापस उसको कंडेंस करके वापस लिक्विड में, वेपर को वापस लिक्विड में चेंज करके हम उसके कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स को क्या कर सकते हैं, अलग कर सकते हैं. लिक्विड मिक्सचर के अंदर जो भी मिक्स है उनको अलग अलग सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, दैट मीन्स इट इन्वॉल्व्स अ चेंज ऑफ स्टेट फ्रॉम लिक्विड टू वेपर एंड अगेन टू liquid. Clear? So this is the fermented beverage. Next is antibiotics. Antibiotics, anti is the Greek word that means against and the bio means life. That means against life. Antibiotics are the chemical substances that are used against life. Life means there is a life in the contents to disease causing organism. That means these are used against the disease causing organism. Okay, disease causing जो organism है उनकी life के against these are used. These are used against the life of disease causing organism. So antibiotics are the chemical substances which are produced by some microbes and that can kill or retarded the growth of other disease causing microbes. Other microbes, disease causing microbes. Retarded, that means inactive. They inactive the growth of the microbe. So antibiotics are the chemical substances which are used by some microbes and that kill or retarded the growth of other microbes. Clear? First commonly used antibiotic is penicillin. Commonly used antibiotic is penicillin. Okay, penicillin was first discovered by Alexander Fleming. Penicillin was the first antibiotic that was discovered by Alexander Fleming. While working on Staphylococci bacteria. Okay, that means penicillin was the first antibiotic discovered by the Alexander Fleming accidentally while Alexander Fleming working on Staphylococci bacteria. When he worked with Staphylococci bacteria, he observed a mold or fungi growing in this culture plate around which Staphylococci could not grow. मतलब इसने क्या देखा कि जब ये स्टैफिलोकोकी बैक्टीरिया के ऊपर वर्क कर रहा था, इसने देखा कि उस कल्चर प्लेट में, जिस कल्चर प्लेट में ये स्टैफिलोकोकी बैक्टीरिया को ग्रो करवा रहा था, उस कल्चर प्लेट में कोई मोल्ड, कोई फंगी ग्रो हो गई है. ओके, और उसके चारों तरफ क्या है, स्टैफिलोकोकी कुड नॉट ग्रो. उसके चारों तरफ स्टैफिलोकोकी ग्रो नहीं हो रही है. ओके, एंड ही फाउंड दैट इट वॉज due to a chemical produced by the mold. Okay, he found that a chemical substance produced by this mold or fungi that cheeses or the prevent the growth of Staphylococci bacteria in the culture plate. Okay, that time he found that this mold or this fungi produces a chemical substance that prevent the growth of Staphylococci in the culture plate. And this mold is Penicillium notatum. This fungi or the fungi or the mold that grow with staphylococci in culture plate. This mold is Penicillium notatum, and the chemical that is produced by Penicillium notatum is penicillin. Okay, and the chemical substance is penicillin. He named it penicillin. उसने देखा वो मोल्ड क्या है, पेनिसिलिन नोटेटम है, तो उसने उस केमिकल का नाम क्या दे दिया, पेनिसिलिन. दैट वाज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय पेनिसिलियम नोटेटम. ओके, आफ्टर दैट अर्नेस्ट चेन एंड द हॉवर्ड फ्लोरी discovered its use as antibiotics. Okay, after that Ernest Chain and the Howard Florey discovered its use as antibiotics. Fleming, Chain and Florey were awarded the Nobel Prize in 1945 for this discovery. These three, Alexander Fleming, Ernest Chain and the Howard Florey, were awarded by the Nobel Prize in 1945 for this discovery. After penicillium, other antibiotics were also produced by other microbes. After the discovery of penicillium, other antibiotics were also produced by other microbes. So penicillium is produced by Penicillium notatum. Okay, clear? Next is chemicals, enzymes and other bioactive molecules. These are also produced by some microbes. So microbes are also used for production of certain chemicals like organic acids, alcohol, enzyme, okay, and other bioactive molecules. Okay, so the examples of acid. First we discuss the examples of acid that was produced by microbes. First is citric acid. This acid is produced by Aspergillus niger. Citric acid is produced by Aspergillus niger. Acetic acid is produced by Acetobacter aceti. Acetic acid is produced by Acetobacter aceti. Butyric acid is produced by Clostridium botulicum. Okay, and lactic acid is produced by Lactobacillus. Ethanol is produced by Saccharomyces cerevisiae yeast. Okay, Aspergillus क्या है, फंगी है. So citric acid is produced by a fungi Aspergillus niger. Acetic acid is produced by Acetobacter aceti. This is a bacteria, so it is produced by a bacteria Acetobacter aceti. Butyric acid is produced by a bacteria Clostridium botulicum. Lactic acid is also produced by a bacteria Lactobacillus. Okay, Aspergillus is the fungi, all these are bacteria. Ethanol is produced by yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So these are the acids that are produced by different microbes. Okay, now we discuss the enzymes that are produced by microbes. First is lipase. These are used in detergent formulation and are helpful in removing oily stains from the laundries. That means कोई भी मतलब ऑयली जो स्टेन्स किसी क्लॉथ्स के ऊपर लग गए हैं तो उनको रिमूव करने के लिए लाइपेज एंजाइम्स का यूज़ किया जाता है. दीज आर यूज्ड इन डिटर्जेंट फॉर्मुलेशन. डिटर्जेंट बनाने में मतलब ऐसे डिटर्जेंट बनाने में यूज़ किया जाता है जो क्या है ऑयल स्टेन्स को रिमूव करने में हेल्पफुल है लॉन्ड्री से, क्लॉथ से. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज pectinases and proteases. Pectinases and proteases, these are used to clarify the bottle juice. These are used for used to clarify the bottle juice. Bottle juices are clarified by the use of proteinases and the proteases, pectinases and proteases. ये भी एंजाइम है, इनका यूज क्या है, जो बॉटल के अंदर जूस होते हैं उनको क्लियर करने में, क्लियरिफाई बनाने में. नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज. स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज इज ऑल्सो आर यूज्ड as clot buster. Okay, it is used as clot buster for removing clots from the blood vessel of the heart patient. हार्ट अटैक जिन पेशेंट्स को आ जाता है ना, हार्ट अटैक जो पेशेंट होते हैं उनकी ब्लड वेसल्स में क्लॉट होने की वजह से उन्हें हार्ट अटैक आता है, यानी वो ब्लॉक होने की वजह से. तो उन ब्लड वेसल्स में जो ब्लड का जो क्लॉट है उसको रिमूव करने में ये स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज एंजाइम यूज है. एंड दिस इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द बैक्टीरिया स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस. इट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द बैक्टीरिया स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस. Okay, and it is used as a clot buster for removing the clot from the blood vessel of the heart attack patient. Okay, now we discuss bioactive molecules that are produced by microbes. Bioactive molecules. First is cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A, this is produced by Trichoderma polysporum fungus. It is produced by a fungus Trichoderma polysporum, and it is used as an immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant patient. That means these are used to prevent the body from forming the immune responses to organ transplant patient. ठीक है, जिन पेशेंट के अंदर कोई ऑर्गन ट्रांसप्लांट हो रहा है उन पेशेंट के अंदर ये बायोएक्टिव मॉलिक्यूल है, वर्क कर रहा है एज ए इम्यूनोसप्रेसिव एजेंट. दैट मीन्स उसके इम्यून सिस्टम को एक बार रोक देता है कि इम्यून रेस्पॉन्सेस को शो ना करे, फॉर्म ना करे. ठीक है. यस, नेक्स्ट इज स्टैटिन्स. स्टैटिन्स इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय ईस्ट Monascus purpureus, and it is used as blood cholesterol lowering agents. That means it decreases the cholesterol level in blood. Statin used as blood cholesterol lowering agents. That means it decreases the cholesterol level in blood. Clear? So these are the bioactive molecules. Okay, acid, enzymes and bioactive molecules are also produced by some microbes. Clear? I hope you understand this topic. So students, watch video carefully, read this topic from your book. Thank you students, have a nice day.